My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. One of my technicians brought this phone to me and told me that this phone is not booting. I asked him some question. What really happened to the phone? He told me that the phone shut down and the phone stopped booting. I asked him another question. Have you checked the component on the phone panel? I mean, have you do troubleshooting? Checking the component like capacitors, resistors, and other components? He told me yes, that the phone is not still booting, that he tried all possible means, but the phone is not still booting. I collected him the phone and do my own troubleshooting. At the end, I found out that the problem is from the power IC. My dear technician, it is important for you to know how to reball, how to change IC. Because if you can troubleshoot and you cannot change IC, it's a problem. Because there are sometimes you get this type of work, at the end, you discover that it is IC issue, and since you cannot change IC, you will not be able to do it. My dear technician, since I can change IC, I can do all of these things. I'm going to change the IC that is stopping this phone not to boot. Without time wasted, let me start the video. My dear technician, first thing, I apply PES to the IC. Check this out. This is the panel that is not booting. I have two panels of this phone, so I will get the IC from the other one and put in this one, okay? But let me first remove this one so that I will get the IC from the other one that is working and put in this one. I want you guys to see the magic. I want you guys to see everything. My dear technician, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, okay? Or you can chat me up if you have any question at all. My dear technician, like I said, you have to be very, very careful. Please take your time to do this. Do not use so much heat. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Do not use so much heat. Check this out. Check this out. I removed the IC successful. So this is the panel that I want to get the IC from. I mean, a working IC. My dear technician, I also take my time to remove it. Check this out. I take my time to do this. Check this out. If you have question, please let me know in the comment section if you have any question at all. Check this out. I take my time to do this. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I take my time to do this. If you have questions, like I said, please let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I'll be done. Sorry for that time wasted. I want you guys to see everything. Check this out. Check this out. I'm done. Check this out. Just remove the IC now successfully without any damage. Check this out. If you have any question, please let me know. If you have any question at all, please let me know. Check this out. This is the panel that I want to put the IC. Check this out. So this is the IC I removed from this panel before. Check this out. So first of all, let me remove the panel from the PCB stand and then put the IC I removed from the second panel so that I will fix it in this first panel that I want the phone to work for the owner. The owner really needs the phone. So check this out. So first of all, I'm going to clean the lid. So take your time to do this. Check this out. I take my time to do this. If you have any question, please let me know. If you have any question, check this out. I take my time to clean it very well. The next thing is for me to do the reballing. My dear technician, it is important for you to know how to reball. If you don't know how to reball, it's not good. Please, it's important for you to know how to reball so that you can be able to fix any phone problem that comes your way. Okay? Check this out. I take my time to set it very well. Check this out. I use the exactly stainless steel that match the IC. You can still use the universal one if you want to, but this one is the exactly one that match the IC. Check this out. I take my time to set it very well, because if you don't set it very well, it's not going to work. So I take my time to set it very well. Check this out. I'll be done. My dear technician, you have to be very careful. Take your time to do this. So the next thing now is for me to apply paste. Take your time, apply paste. Check the way I'm doing my own. Take your time, apply paste. Please take your time to do this. My dear technician, take your time to do this. Please do not rush. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Make sure you clean it when you're done. My dear technician, I will be done. So the next thing is for me to apply heat. So take your time to do this. Apply heat. Check this out. I take my time to do my own. Please take your time to do your own. Apply heat. Check this out. You can see it's done. It's done 100%. My dear technician, is done 100%. If you have question, you can let me know in the comment section. If you have question, you can let me know. So the next thing is for you to apply flux and then blow a little bit. Check this out. So when you're done, turn the other side and check your IC is ready. It's already done, ready for you to use. My dear technician, check this out. Clean, no shorting. You can see there's no shorting, 100% clean. So the next thing is for me to put the IC. So let me put the IC now. Check this out. Make sure that you have already cleaned the leftover lid on the panel on where the IC is. That's what I'm talking about. Check this out. So let me place the IC, but before then, put paste. Check this out. Make sure that you apply a little paste. Check this out. Then apply the IC. This is the IC. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Check this out. I'll be done. Check this out. Make sure you set it very well. After that, you blow. After that, you do what? You blow. Make sure you blow it very well. Check this out. I'm blowing now. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. My dear technician, I'll be done. If you have any question, please let me know. Check this out. I'll be done. Check this out. Make sure you confirm if it is connected. My dear technician is 100% done now. So the next thing now is for me to clean it. I just clean it, brush it, then test it for you guys to see that it's working. I'll use my multimeter to test and show you that voltage flows in without anything blocking. Before I put battery and turn on the phone. My dear technician, all these things are very simple to do. They are very simple. I don't know why some people still have difficulties with this. If you want to learn this, you can let me know. Okay, I will teach you. If you want to learn this, let me know. Okay, I'll just create a video and draw for you, or you can come to my class, physical class. If you need physical class, come to my shop for physical class. I will teach you how to do all of this. Okay, so let me test it now before I turn on the phone. This is still the phone. This is still the panel of the phone. I've not changed it. This is still the panel of the phone. My dear technician, this is real. This is not fake. I will turn for you guys to see that this is still the panel. Have not changed it. Check this out. Voltage flows in without anything blocking. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, this is ground. I tested everything for you guys to see. Check this out. This is still the panel. Check it very well. Oh. Check it very well. This is still the panel. You can see I have not changed it too. So let me bring the phone casing and then put it and turn on the phone for you guys to see that it works. It works like magic. If you have any question, you can let me know if you have any question at all. Okay, check this out. So let me fix it now for you guys to see. Let me turn on the phone. I want you guys to see that the phone works 100%. Let me turn on the phone for you guys to see that it's 100% working. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, you can let me know. If you have any question at all, you can let me know. Check this out. I'll be done. So let me turn on the phone. I want to connect battery now and turn on the phone. If you have any question, please let me know. If you have any question at all, check this out. So let me turn on the phone. 1, 2, ready and go. Check this out. It works. My dear technician, it works like magic. Check this out. It works like magic. It works like magic. If you have any question, let me know. Feel free. Tell me something if you have any question at all. Let me know. This is me, Father Joe. If you have any question, let me know. All these things are very simple. If you want to learn them, if you want to learn it, okay, let me know. Check this out. It works. You can see I smile. It is important for you to know how to troubleshoot and also know how to change IC so that whenever you come across this type of work, you can fix it. I'm waiting for the phone to turn on. Check this, guys. The phone works like magic. It's working 100%. If you have any question, please let me know. If you have any question at all, check this out. It works like magic.